Hi, welcome back to the shop. As you can see, the CNC machine has arrived. These are the rails. There's a couple more boxes on the other side. These are gorgeous. This is one of the Y rails. They are a lot bigger up in person than you would think when you see them on the internet. The footprint is, I believe, like 62.599 by 64.050 inches. So it's going to be a pretty decent sized table. The table is going to be on the other side of the shop. I got to still run electric for it. So they're here. A couple information about, for those of you that are looking for the Onefinity information. Ordered it August 1st, 2023. It arrived October 6th, 2023. That's 9 weeks, all right? They were saying 10 to 12 weeks. Actually, on the shipping info on their site, it still says that they are testing and packaging it up. Obviously, it's here. So what I got? I got an Elite Foreman. I got a probe and the Carveco 12 months for free. The Carveco maker was 12 months free with this deal that I got. Now, something you need to know, because you need to read the details on it, is, hey Sheepy, come on. You need to read the details on the Carveco maker. The license and subscription starts the day that you install it. All right, so if you buy it and install it and you don't use it for a month, that's probably not a good thing. Okay, that's the way I looked at it. So I waited till this actually showed up before I got it installed, so then I can keep the dates and everything really close of when I need to, manage this again. My cat has decided that she wants to be part of the video. All right. Secondly, there's a bunch of companies, well, not a bunch of them, there's 3 companies you're going to end up dealing with. Onefinity, okay, Onefinity. Before you order, make sure you call your credit card, because they are located in Canada. Now, if you're in Canada, it probably won't be a big deal, but calling from the trying to order from the United States, that gave a bit of an issue with mine. My credit card declined immediately. I didn't know if they got the order. I didn't know what happened, because there's really no information that comes back. You're going to get an invoice from Kibre, or Kirby, it's Kirbre Enterprises USA Inc. All right, operating as Onefinity. Now, that might be a company they have set up in the United States that is tied back to Onefinity out of Canada. I don't know. It was a little weird for me because being that I'm a software architect and deal in IT quite a bit, and security and stuff like that. The email was a no reply at my-store-emails.com. That was kind of like, okay, what just happened? Main reason is because I ordered something from Onefinity. I got something from Kibre Enterprises USA Inc. from a my-store-email.com. That threw up a bunch of red flags for me. So I just kind of waited it out, saying, okay, I don't know exactly what's going on. I did get an email from Augustin at onefinity.com. So you're going to be seeing something from somebody at onefinity.com about your Carveco subscription. That gives you all the instructions on how to download, how to install, and whatnot. When you get your packages, there's the third company. You're going to get packages sent to you from a company named Borderworx. All right. There was a confusion with me because I had just ordered a video card for my wife's PC, and they both arrived on the same day. Now, I didn't know, who did I order the video card from? From Newegg, but there's a subcontractor with them, someone who's advertising their stuff. I didn't know if that's what it was. So I wasn't even home when this came in. So when I came home, there's this big pile of boxes sitting in my driveway. And that caused some confusion at first. I was like, okay, well, there's no markings on them. It's got to be the CNC machine. Where's the video card? Okay, that's what kind of hit. The video card was actually in the whole stack of these boxes. So UPS delivered everything on the same day. So remember, there's 3 companies. There's Onefinity, which I think works with, or they had to create a company here in the United States called Kibre I don't know how to pronounce it, Enterprises USA Inc. And you're going to get one from Borderworx. All right. Carveco is a separate company. They are out of the UK. Software looks okay. I've dealt with AutoCAD. I've dealt with SmartCam, Visio, whatever. So it's just another tool program. So we'll see what happens with that. So that's all the information so far about the Onefinity being shipped in. Second thing, there is, with the order that I ordered a PwnCNC 80 millimeter spindle. So this is what this is going to run on this with the slider and everything else. The biggest issue I've had so far is trying to figure out what I need electrically. All right. There's a lot of videos out there and they're great. You can go and watch videos, but once you start getting the stuff in and start really getting into it and understanding what's going on, and one of the videos for the Onefinity talks about how you need a separate circuit for your vacuum, a separate circuit for your PC. I think the router is tied into the PC, like that'll work there. I'm not positive on this. With the spindle needs to be 220, so that gets its own little thing. So I'm going to set up all this here on this bench on my table saw. And what I mean by set it up, I'm going to lay it out. I'm going to put where I want the power controls and everything else, because they're only 6-foot cables. So you've got to be able to get that power to the bench somehow, right? So is this going to sit on the back of the bench, on the front of the bench? There's a pump, there's a motor for the spindle that's going to be, running the motor. Does that tie into the VFD, which is something that PwnCNC, I don't know why it's, PwnCNC, but is that something that plugs into the PwnCNC VFD? Like I said, very little actual diagrams of stuff, which drives me kind of batty because I'm a software architect. So once I get all this set up, not set up, but once I get it all laid out where I think everything's going to be with the, getting the Stiffy put on and getting all the modules and controllers and everything set up, how far away from the wall they need to be, the back of it, whatever, then I can actually build a bench. All right, so that's one thing. I know they sell a bench. This bench here is 38 inches high. I don't think this is the right height. Okay, I think something more around like maybe 33 inches high might do. There's no real specs, if you will, of what they should be. Hopefully everything that I just went through with ordering, receiving will help somebody out. One thing I want to cover, Carveco, the day you install it, the day that you install it is when your subscription starts. Keep that in mind. The next video will be on unboxing and setup. So I'm going to unbox everything and set it up on my table saw table, on my outfeed table. The main reason for that is because I need to know how far away the controller and the VFD, variable frequency drive, hope I got that right, is going to set from the front of the machine. Reason, because when I run electric, which would be the video after that, I need to know where that electric's going to go on this wall, because this is where it's going to set, right here. It does take up a lot of space, guys. After the electric video, then I'll do a table build video or two. It might take a couple videos for that. And then the cabinet build video or two, might take a couple videos for that. If I do anything with the, once I get the table done, because I'm planning on the cabinet will probably be something I will actually use the Foreman and Carveco to make the door frames out of, to put plexiglass in. So if that is the case, then I will take and do a video of the Carveco as I do it. Okay, I'm pretty sure I don't think there's a problem with that, it's legalities. The very last one I'll do is a review on it. and maybe a little tour of the shop and whatnot. So if you like the video, click like, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more videos like this, there's going to be a lot. Like I said, the builds of the Onefinity. I've got a Biesermeyer rail system for my table saw that I built. If you're interested in that, please go check all this stuff out and have a good day.